This is a cheating way,
Yeah.
right? You can rename this to. So if we just say rename it to.
Oh, is this a load screen?
No, right. We'll rename this to basic mini load. Right. You can when you copy it into your source data folder, you can rename it to your map name.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm with you.
Right. Now, if you open it with Notepad++,
Yeah.
you'll see in here it's Dockyard Sniper. So what's your map name?
Okay, at the moment it's called MP 103.
Right. Type in
I'll type
there.
it in, yeah. Okay.
Oh no! Wait a minute. Before no, Control Z.
Yeah.
Right. What I need to do is the easiest way to do this because I've already made the GDT. You see.
Yeah.
Right. So if you just click that because the OSG is going to be there. Oh, bastard. Right.
That's a nightmare for highlighting. It's a little
It
bit
certainly
faded,
is.
isn't it?
Yeah, it is, mate. Yeah. Right. So what you do is Control F
Yeah.
will give you the find,
Oh, okay, yeah.
and then
Just
replace. So if you type in your map name without the MP underscore,
yeah, okay, mate. So it's
yeah,
23.
before you click anything,
Just make sure
right? Okay.
it's
Right.
yeah.
Click
So,
replace all.
yeah.
It should say I can't remember how many 7 or 9. There you go, 7.
Okay.
Right. So now you save that, and then you can close that. You're done with that now.
Okay, mate.
Right. So now what you do is you copy that.
Yeah.
And you go to your source data folder,
Okay.
COD4 source data, where's your main COD4
Oh
directory?
yeah, I'll take you there.
Won't be easier. Oh, I watched Coronation Street the other day. Did you ever watch it?
No, not really. There you go.
Man,
Yeah, I
it
see
was...
where I tried to do it for one of the other maps up the top there, but
Right, yeah, no, it won't work like that. Right. So you've got that there. So, right, rename that to your map name.
just yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah,
What do I
just
have to
do it.
put the MP in?
Yeah, well, no, yeah. Just full map name.
Okay.
Yeah, and then or whatever to save that. Now when you open that, everything's there, set for exactly how it's supposed to be. So I've already written the GDT.
Oh, okay.
Right, now then, this here, see that says blending G128 on your compass map?
Yeah.
All the tutorials will tell you to do it 512 by 512.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it 1024 by 1024 so it's slightly transparent.
Oh, okay.
You know, like on Backlot and most of my maps, you
Yes.
can actually slightly see through the minimap.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay.
What paint program do you use?
I use Adobe.
Good bastard. Right. So anyway, you know how to do different layers and stuff, and how to make a primary layer transparent, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
You just
I'm not
make
sure
it
with that in
visible.
Photoshop because I don't use it.
It's really easy. I could show you.
Yeah, I use paint.net, makes it much easier. Right. So there, and of course then for the level.
Yeah.
I think that's, yeah, right, that sets up your, and that's even renamed the load screen to the load screen image. So what we'll do first is we'll talk you through taking them.
Okay.
Right, so we'll minimise
Done a
that.
TGA file for the mini map, but
Yeah, but
what I did.
how can you have done if you don't have
No, I know.
minimap corners in there?
Yeah, that's true.
Right, this is how
Did
you
it
do
for
it,
nothing.
okay? Right,
Oh, this is a bastard. It never maximises. You have to come down here,
yeah,
and then you have to right click that and maximise. Don't ask me
right.
why.
Open your map then, bud.
Okay.
And it never saves from them shortcuts down the bottom on Windows 7 either, does it?
No. There you go.
Right, okay, so here's your map then, yeah? Oh, bugger off. Right, whoa, stop. So I gather this line here,
That's your sky
where the mouse is going, that's the outside. So where's your play area end?
Basically, it ends here because there's underground tunnels.
On
You
these
can see
like
to the front.
these. Right. So I'll tell you what we'll do then. Right.
Hang on, mate. I've got
Is
someone talking to me. I'm sorry. Hang on. Yes. About. Yeah, I know. Nick told me. Yeah. Yeah. Nice one. They won't see it like that.
right.
Yeah.
So what we need to do is we need to get a height that's very, very similar to being just over the top of your... Oh, why is it doing that? It's the lag, isn't it? So
Probably, yeah.
what we need to do, we need to select something that's reasonably high. Now, what are these script structs?
They're
Oh,
the
for
snow.
fuck's sake.
That's the snow, but I don't
Don't
think
need
they
that, mate.
work because I've already
Right,
got
no,
working
listen.
using positional ones. So
What do you think of the snow that's in grid?
grid.
My grid map.
Jesus.
From Black Ops. The Black Ops conversion I did, the grid map and grid sniper.
Yeah, it was all right.
It was only that heavy because I overlaid it.
Oh, did you? Oh, okay. Because
The good
now
thing
people
about
starts moaning if it's too much.
right, the good thing about that snow effect is
Yeah,
that
I do need them script structs because it's working with that.
it does right. The thing is
Couldn't get it to work via the positional one.
right, yeah, because you don't. Some work from the create effects and some will only work from the effects. I can sort you out with the one from grid if you want it. That's not a problem.
Okay.
And all you do is you set that up, and that one, you see, what that does is, if it's snowing above a building,
Yeah.
the effect stops when it hits the brush.
Oh, does it?
So it doesn't snow inside. I can't get the fucking rain to do that, though.
Oh, yeah, because it doesn't snow inside the buildings with the one I've got either.
Well, it won't do, because you've put the effect there,
Yeah, but
not on top of any of the buildings.
yeah, but it snows all over.
If I...
It
right,
covers
okay.
a massive large area, that does.
Well,
believe it or not. That's
right,
why they're
okay.
so spaced out.
Well, what I'm saying is, if
I
I
didn't-
put
I
the
didn't
struct for the
position
snow
Yeah.
inside... if I put the struct for the snow inside, say, on the top floor of your bunker,
It would snow inside the...
it will snow inside the top floor of the bunker, but not on the bottom floor.
Yeah. Well, where I've got these, it snows everywhere. Even when you sit on
Right.
the roof of the bunker. But once
Okay.
you go inside, there's no snow at all.
Right. All right then, mate. So, right, let's just get this down so I can see the whole of the play area. Yep.
Lucky bastard.
Oh, for pity's sake. Right, can you put that in the middle, mate? Because this
Yeah,
lag
of course
thing
I
is
will.
doing my fruit hearing.
There you go.
Right,
Do you want this
okay.
on the corner or something? Oh.
No. MP. Miscellaneous prefab. And I've got to remember where it is now because it's a while since I've done one of these. I think it's in, if it's not open in here,
It's there. It's
minimap corner
that's it,
map.
yeah, that's it.
Right. So we press N to get rid of that.
It's
So,
open.
right, that's gone there. So what
Yeah.
you do then is you look there,
Yeah.
that's shift and tab, you know how to do that. You want it just above the highest play out, the highest play point.
Yeah.
Right, so that there will be just about perfect.
Okay,
The only thing is if you've got trees in as script brush models, as script models, sometimes it doesn't show them up. Oh, for God's sake, centralise that for me again, mate, will you? It keeps buggering off. It knows it's got to work if I'm on it. So it's being this on. That's looking a bit, right, that's it, that's perfect. Right, so whilst you've got that one, oh, that's too far out now.
I think I've got to copy and paste that and then move it it to the opposite.
Right, so CV,
Yeah.
I've just done it with control, and keep it the same height and move it down there.
Okay.
Right,
Yep.
okay.
Yep.
Now save that as your map name.
So I'll do that now, yeah?
Yeah, you need those in to take the mini-map picture, and it triggers everything off as well.
Save as. I can just do that, can't I? And just bang.
Yeah, yeah, and then save.
Okay, done.
Right, close that.
Okay. Yep.
Now, I don't know whether I'm going to see your COD 4 or not. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But anyway, right, so we want compile tools, and you always double the refresh.
Oh, okay, mate.
So it's side snipe final.
Yeah.
We'll do a fast compile for now, because I haven't got time to be sitting about.
Can I
And-
recompile it though?
You can recompile it as many times as you want, it doesn't
So
matter.
I could do a full compile and it won't mess it up.
No.
Okay, cool. And then if I do recompile, can I just copy and paste the FF files over as they are?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just replace the FF files with the new ones that you've created.
Okay.
The BSP's in now, that's it,
Yeah.
right? They're in the map. Providing you open that, anything you add to that map, they will stay there.
Okay. I've got a few errors in there, but they were I couldn't be asked to fix them.
Listen, mate, you always get silly little errors like fucking light map uses more than one pixel per square inch, or fucking material reflects too many times, or it repeats too many times, and fuck it, mate, it doesn't matter. At this late stage in COD, it really doesn't matter. Right, I've also got one thing I will give you. I've got to find it on my PC. Is a prefabbed helipad.
Oh, cool.
But what you'll have to do is you'll have to load it in as a prefab,
Yeah.
and then do that alternate page down to enter the prefab.
Yes. Yeah.
Have you got me? You'll have to do it like that.
So you enter it as a prefab and then to get into it.
And
you enter
spread
the
it.
prefab.
Yeah, and then spread everything out, because if you try and copy everything out of it into it, it doesn't copy all the script. So you'll have bits missing, so you'll have to go back in and re-script it. And that is a frigging nightmare, mate.
I bet it is, yeah.
All you'll have to do when you go in, when you get it, is go into it, have a look at it, right click on it and then N, or highlight it, then click N. And it's got like fucking references to and from, where it goes to and from, the speed it travels from, how long it stays there, what pitch and yaw it, and it's a bitch, mate. It really is. You have actually got to tell the helicopter to go where it comes in from the spawn bit. You have to send it to the next little box, and there's 3 sets of that. You've got one that loops. Yeah, they're all nodes, right? You've got to, and then you've got to script them from one to the next to the next.
Just get rid of that or change it to basic if you want. But
I'm not asked.
just
Right, so that's done. Yeah, right. So now we build the fast file.
Yep.
Now, once we've made this GDT, mate, you'll need to create a false IWD, IW underscore 14 IWD, and place it.
I think.
Right, that's okay then. We'll put them in there when we've made them.
Okay, can you see that?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, that's
Right. So, right, we auto assign. Now, you don't want to move the mouse in a minute.
Team deathmatch.
At all. Right, don't touch anything. So you open your console and you type /exec minimap. Have I spelt that right? Yes, see everything's gone now.
yes.
So what
yeah,
you
it's
type
already
then is,
done it.
yeah, / and all the effects and everything goes. Right, / set minimap underscore HEIGHT underscore. Oh, hang on, it might be actually set screen. I don't know, we'll try it like this first, it won't do any damage if it's not. 10,000. No, it hasn't done it, so okay. Set screen. Right on that one. SCR underscore minimap height 10,000. Why is it still not done?
Is it just /SCR not set? Does the SCR have to replace that? Or take out the underscore between the SCR and minimap?
Oh, I know what it is. Might not be the SCR. It's been a while since I've made one, mate, so but bear with me a minute. HERGHT space. Go. Right, now, what you need to do, you put a space after it. What you need to do now, right, is you need to press your print screen button. Save an image of that. Or screenshot button, whatever, so long as you know where it's going to save that screenshot to.
Yeah, okay, ready.
This is the point where you don't want to move your mouse.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and done screenshot.
Definitely take a couple more just to be safe. Always delete them afterwards.
I can't do a print screen.
Take it. Yes, you
here
can.
we go.
Press print
I've done
screen.
that as well.
Right, okay. Right, okay. So what we do is we come out of that. Oh shit, I've just closed the wrong thing. Let me come back in. I can't believe I just fucking did that like a moron. I closed the whole fucking window, not the fucking cod. Right, you'll have to leave game now, mate, because it's not doing anything.
Oh, you come out of TV over it?
Yeah, I did, and I've just gone back. Yeah, I've just come back to it. Right, you'll have to leave game and quit COD.
Yeah. Is that alright to do that though?
Yes, that's what you have to
You're
do.
still connected?
I am, because I reconnected, but because I reconnected whilst you were in COD, I couldn't control COD. Right, what you need to do now is open your paint program first. You might not need to find the image just yet.
Oh, okay. Right, it's going to be over here. Yes. Okay.
This is step one. So what you do then is you edit.
No, I can't do it like that.
Alright, it won't let you.
Find it through here though. If you
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Find it through there then. Yeah, that's a better idea. Right, okay. So we open that one.
Okay.
Right, so now what you do is, I'm not quite sure, what's the select a square tool?
Oh, Jesus.
Just select a particular region, is it that one?
That's cropping.
No, we don't want that. We need to be able to select a specific bit, but it's not a bloody circle.
Oh, okay. If you...
No, that's a circle. Right, hang on. No, we'll control Z that.
I can get rid of this.
That's gone.
There you go.
Yeah, right, that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
right. So what we do then is we get this bit here.
Yeah.
And we go, it doesn't matter if you're not perfectly tight. Sometimes you have to mess. Right, you want to be bang on that white line, mate.
Yeah, okay. How's that?
Right, yeah, that's cool. So copy that,
Just copy it, yeah?
edit and copy or Control C.
See? Yeah, done that.
Right, now what you do now is you paste that into a new image.
New layer or new image altogether?
New image, mate. It needs to be a new image altogether. Yeah.
How big do you want the image?
1024 by
1024, is it?
probably, mate, yeah. Click OK.
Yeah.
Right, now what you do is
Control and paste.
paste. What's this paste special nonsense?
I don't know. Paste in place, it says. There you go.
Right, okay, you see, still, right. Do you see maps? Have you seen maps in COD? that have, they get to, when you get to the edge of the minimap, it leaves that horrible smudged line.
Yes, I have seen that, yeah.
Right, we'll kill that now
Okay.
by doing this. Right, some people put a 2 pixel wide thin line on it.
Oh, okay.
Do me a favour, just,
Yeah, what do you want
right,
me to do?
just see, right, I want to go across there. I want to go up a bit so that you're just covering.
Right off the screen there. Hang on. Let me
Have I?
do
It's
it
not.
for
It's
you.
not gone off on mine. Yeah. So right, just take that white line at the top. Just cover that.
Like that?
Just go. Yeah. Just go up a little bit more. Mind you, it doesn't matter. 'Cause you haven't got much of a play. That's way away from the play area. Right. Edit, and cut that out.
Oh, okay.
No.
I need to do
No. You go up, edit,
and then cut, yeah?
cut. Right.
Okay, yeah.
Now you need to do the same
Down the side, yeah?
down the side.
Okay. If I do that, then ready?
Do it all the way round.
Is it just to get rid of that white line?
Yes, mate. Yeah. That would give you the transparency. It should be 24-bit as well. That, by the way. So you know how to sort that.
What, the size you mean?
No, the actual bit of the format of the file. But you can do that when you save it.
It's easier.
But that might still show it in white. I don't know. You see, this is it. I've never worked with Paint Shop Pro, so well, I have, but it's got a bit of. I have a bit of an issue with Paint Shop. I mean, if you wanted to, you could cut all that sky out and go right to the edge of your map,
I'm with you.
and leave everything else clear or black.
There you go.
Right. So you've done that. So now what you need to do is save
Yeah.
the image as a TGA file.
I'll find it for you, yeah?
TGA.
Down the bottom, yeah? What do you want me to call it?
Your map, compass map.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay, ready? Oh,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. Get rid of all that. Right. So what do I put? Compass?
Right. Hang on. The compass map. I think it's all one word. Let me just go and check here. Oh, come on. Right. Want to save it? It wants to be saved in your. Oh, for fuck's sake!
I can double check quickly if you want me to.
Compass.
I've got one
Right.
already saved in there.
So if it was, no, it's right. This is what you want to put in front. It's right before you go any further.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's going to let me do this. Sometimes it does. Sometimes. Right. So just change the underscore OSG grid to underscore your map name.
Just make sure that's all spelled correctly. Yeah.
Save it, and then it should ask you when you save it whether you want to save it as a right 24 or 32. Go 32 anyway.
Okay.
Right. Then you can yeah, just minimise that for now.
That would have got
Right,
the
the
screenshots folder, that one.
Ah, right,
That's all
okay.
right.
That doesn't matter. We'll get it in a minute. We'll just retrieve that. We'll retrieve that in a minute. Right. So we go back in the game.
Oh, right, okay. Did
Have you already
did
taken
hear
a
all the
load? Have you got a
sounds?
load screen? No, I don't hear the sounds. Right. So what we do now is
Team deathmatch.
right.
Take no prisoners, comrades.
No. Oh shit. Right. Go and find somewhere in the map that you think would take a really nice picture. Can you? That would be even better. But I don't know whether. Oh yeah, you'll see the snows. Right. Fly around the map.
Do no clip as well, hang on. Slash no clip.
Right. Well, that.
You must be alive, so I am alive. Oh, I need to be in the game.
Yeah, no, stay out, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Something like that then.
Whatever you think would be a nice load screen image. Bear in mind, you've got to cut out. You're only taking it from, you're only going to be able to take the picture from the right hand side of the mini-map at the top, otherwise you'll get the mini-map in the load screen.
Can't you do that? Remove HUD thing.
I can, but it will take the effects away. It depends on whether you want the snow effect in your load screen or not.
I get you. Yeah, so I just need to crop it. Yeah, I'm with you. Okay, I'll leave it like that. So.
That's right, take the picture when that script's gone. I've done it loads of times, you know what, that script. Right, take it now.
Done it.
Right, okay, so we can now come out of COD. Don't have to worry about putting the text in at this stage. I'll let you do that at your own leisure.
Okay, I've got
Right, all we're doing now is open Paint Shop Pro.
Oh yeah, okay.
To get the right format, what you could do with is opening another load screen. Have you got a DDS load screen from somewhere else? So I can't remember the doofus.
Oh, what the name? You mean? Yeah. Should have, yeah.
I need to convert it to DDS like to be.
Oh god.
There you go, fishing.
That one. Sorry.
Just want a load screen. It'll say some or other load screen.
It's not in there. It might be already. I wonder. It'll be in the in here, will it?
No,
Oh no.
no. All your images go in your texture assets folder.
Yeah, but they're not called load screen, so I haven't got it.
You've never made a load screen before, have you?
Not in there. That's
Right, the other way out, you've got
Sorry.
DDS to IW. That's all right, mate. Right, we'll minimise that a minute. Right, you've got DDS to IWI, haven't you?
I have, yeah. Do you want me to find that folder?
Yeah, if you open that folder, and then I also need you to open up your user maps folder next to it.
Okay.
That one opened.
There you go.
That one opened.
There's a couple of apps. The two apps that work in here, mate, which you'll probably know about.
I'm only doing this because it's one of our maps. So I've got permission to do it.
Yeah, okay.
I'm the only one with permission to alter.
Well, yeah, it's your map.
I didn't make it.
Oh, right, okay.
New set. Before I started doing it.
Oh, you're
Right,
like
so what we do is,
Yeah, I'm with you.
right, this is all I'm doing, we're not actually
Oh,
using
you need the
DDS.
Tom IWI and DDS XE. That one converts to DDS, and this one here is what you want. So if you
Alright, IWE can...
go like that, it will.
Alright, so you...
There you go.
Right, so that's the one we need to open up in...
And then it will convert it to whatever. There you go.
Right, so there's your load screen. So what we need to do now is you need to open your load screen image you took from your screenshot and lay it exactly over the top of that. But my main beef with Paint Shop was... Yeah, my main beef with Paint Shop was that... My main beef with Paint Shop is, you see, what I could do with Paint Shop is I could use my square tool, copy the section out that I wanted to use. You copy that. Yeah. Copy the section you want to use.
I'm just cropping it. Just give us a minute. Right. There you go. And then if I resize
Right.
it, what's it got to be?
Well, you need to find the image size of the same file that that is.
Before, isn't it?
Yeah. See, now in Paint Shop Pro you don't do it like this. It's so much fucking easier. I'll let you have a look at me do it in Paint Shop Pro in a minute. Right, so you copy all that,
I
just to
can
be
do
on the
this,
safe
though.
side.
I can do this.
Right, that's the right size anyway. Right, So you put your text and that in at your own leisure. What? Yeah.
It's a bit of a sod.
Once the material's been created,
Oh, yeah, hang on. I'm just trying to get it in there.
right, you're there. Right, so you want now what you want to do is
Save as, yeah.
save as.
Down. There's a DDS thing in here.
That's in your converters. No, you don't do that. No, TGA. Targa. It's got to be Targa. Right, and it's so MP, your map name exactly the same as it was typed in the GDT.
Okay. 3 underscore underscore. Yep.
Yeah, right. Now save. Oh, yeah, save it. Yeah. Oh no, that it doesn't matter whether that's 34 or 24. Right.
We need to find
Probably
the
won't have.
compass as well.
Right. Yes. No. We need the compass map, which is
We've saved
there.
it. Yeah, we saved it, but it went into screenshots, not in. So we need to.
Yeah, I know. But what we need to do is we need to make this whole thing transparent.
Yeah, I can do that. It's really easy.
Because that's not because the thing is with
Watch
this.
this.
Right. It's there. I could never fucking find it in Paint Shop.
But
Right,
you've
the
got to
problem
go
is
back
now.
in. Do I need to make the background transparent? And then
Right.
make
What?
just the
No,
image?
no. Hang on a minute. Yeah. Bring it back up to full opacity.
Let me just unlock this layer, and I'll make that fully transparent. All right, that's the background, and then the
Right. That's what I wanted. So right. Bring the layer up.
to what?
Right. Bring it up to full for now.
Yeah.
Now what I'd like you to do is to you see your play area here.
Yeah.
Right, that's basically your map play area,
Yeah.
isn't it? That's where your clips are to cover it all out, yeah? Cut all the sky bit out right up tight to there. Just cut it back so it's just that bit in the middle and everything else is transparent.
Okay. So I need to crop it then, don't I?
Yes, mate.
Christ. Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Will cropping it change the image size?
No.
That's all right then.
Oh, it might do. Yeah. Hang on. I think you're right there. Let me escape.
Control Z that, escape that. Right.
I need to mark
Now
it
go
to
to your square. Go to your square tool,
Yeah, got it.
and then
Got it. Hang on.
and then right, and then sorry.
How do you get rid of that?
Just click somewhere else on. No.
right.
Just click. All you do is you just click somewhere else on the screen. Right. So now just select the sky bits around. No, because that. No.
Oh,
You
I'm
don't
with you,
select
I'm
that
with you,
bit.
I'm with you.
Like you did
Yeah,
for
yeah,
the
yeah.
edges. You can go right up to the edges and over them. It won't matter. It won't cut anything
Like
more
that,
out
you
because
mean?
it's you. Yeah.
And then edit and cut.
And then edit and cut.
Okay. I've never
And then
done
do
this
that.
before, it's
Do
alright.
that all the way around. That's see in Photoshop, in PaintShop, in Paint.net. I just cut it and paste the other one on top. But when you try and do that with Photoshop, it doesn't let you set. Make sure you cut all the little bits out. Look.
See this wand? Oh no, that's shit, isn't it? Hang on.
Yeah.
Let me
Get that.
step back again. Right. I need to step back one more time. Right. Let's do it again. Yeah, the one shit. It's alright if it's a pure white.
Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't matter if it goes a little bit of a pixel over your background, over your map, over the corner of your map.
Like that.
Kill that.
There you go.
Yeah. Right. Now do that all the way round. Don't forget to get that bit that's sticking up as well.
Edit. Cut. Okay.
Right. Now set your opacity to how opaque you want the map, to how transparent you want the map.
I reckon. About there, I reckon.
Yeah, it's a little bit different in game. It's not as transparent in game as it is in Photoshop. No, but that'll be fine for now. That'll give you some idea. You can once you've done it,
Yeah.
once you've created the GDT,
Yeah.
and you've created the material property for this material,
Yeah.
and it's set the image file,
Yeah.
you can go back into paint.net and make this as without having to go through the GDT again. Now you've set it with the alpha channel to be transparent at whatever level. You can reset your transparency of the DDS file and convert it back to IWI and put it back in your maps IWD.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, once you've done that, so what you want to do now is save that in the same place as the other one to make matters easy as the load screen.
Okay, so it's save as.
Save as.
Cool.
No, it wasn't in there, was it? It was in your tools folder on the desktop, wasn't it?
Oh, you want it to go there? Sorry.
Yeah, put so we can put them both in your COD4 texture assets folder then. You know what I mean? We'll just drag them and copy it. Yeah.
Right.
The TGA. And then again, compass map.
Yeah,
The same as you did. Compass underscore map underscore. Underscore MP map name, whatever.
okay. Like that.
Right. Yeah, save.
I've spelled that wrong, hang on.
Yeah, don't spell it wrong.
It's fine.
Save. Otherwise you just won't find it. Okay. Right, you can close Paint Shop Pro, you're done with it. Right, so you copy both your TGAs, your load screen TGA and your compass map TGA. Where is your load screen TGA?
Just gonna do
Group by
this.
type.
There you go.
Right, copy both of those and paste them into your texture assets folder.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because it's been ready to be
COD4
converted.
texture, it's ready to be converted with the Dewberry jobby. Of course, you can add the same way as you can add whatever text you want to your load screen afterwards. Right, they're both in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so,
Close it all down.
yeah, yeah, right, hang on, leave it there a minute. Right, what you could do is copy them into your memory now anyway. Right, we need to have a look at this. So you go to Material, Compass Map first. Texture Assets, so it's there already. Okay, it's not in any separate folder, it's there already. No tile, no MIP bilinear.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
2D,
Yeah.
because it is two-dimensional, no surface type, sort by default, and it's not in editor. Cold face back, less equal always.
He's asking me that.
It's a pain in the ass. There's no polygon offset, right? So that's exactly how it needs to be.
Okay.
Right, so what you do now is PC convert current asset only. Side snipe 2GA not found. Okay, so there's another way around it.
Find it.
Right, because that's looking in source data. So we go to texture assets.
There it is, down the bottom. That's it. If I go...
Doesn't matter, I just paste them in. While you copy them to the memory, you see, it pastes them in.
I must have done one before, look.
Oh no, it saved them as a fucking, saved it as a copy, isn't it?
Yeah,
I don't know
get rid
what the
of
fuck.
that one. So-
Well, it doesn't matter. Well, let's just... Compass map, let's just... We don't know which one was fucking which now, do we? That's the problem.
Okay.
Right, anyway, we'll find out.
Well, that's done it. Okay, cool. That's
Right.
That's good enough, yeah.
So what we do need to do then is we'll open that. Do need to have a look
See which one
at
is
them
which, yeah.
and find out which one is which. So open with...
Just double click it because it's already open for Adobe anyway.
Now, if you double click in, it will set it straight into Dewberry.
Right, that's the wrong one then, isn't it?
No, because the right one had the sky there. It's just not showing your alpha channel there, is it? For some reason.
Yeah, it never does. It does.
No, that's all right. Right, okay, so we've got them.
Let me just have... Oh, it's alright.
Yeah, go on. No, I didn't close that, so do what you need to do to be certain. See, the correct one doesn't have the thing round it. There'll be two in there that are pretty much the same,
Yeah,
aren't there?
that's the same,
So
yeah, so that's it. Yeah, okay.
that won't matter. Okay, so we cancel that. We've already done that one.
Yeah.
So now we do the load screen.
Yeah.
Texture assets, load screen, side snipe, final TG. Oops. Right. Now that should already be in there, unless of course you've named it wrong.
No, that's fine.
So that should convert straight away. No.
Now what?
Cannot find side snipe underscore final.
TGA.
So there's something spelt wrong somewhere.
Okay. So go and have a look. Just open that, yeah?
No, that just opens the file normally.
Okay, let's have a look.
Right. So load screen copy. Load screen 103 side snipe. I don't know why it's done that. You must have named it wrong in GDT. Or it's going to a different location on your computer than it is mine. No biggie. Convert current asset only.
Ah, that's
Will you? Fuck off, Windows arrows.
Camtasia's running, that's what I
Yeah. Right, so that's done. So now you go to your level. What this does is it puts into your zone source CSV your load screen details to trigger off your load screen.
Okay. Cool.
So again, that's already done. Now it might throw an error. I don't know because of the difference, because it, no, there you go, conversion done. Right, so now what you need to do, close that. Modern Warfare, oh mind you, yeah, that's all right. And we'll go to your raw folder, images.
If this works out on Camtasia really well, I might post it up on the COD utility.
I have been swearing a bit though.
Oh.
I didn't think about that. But if you do, yeah, just give me credits, even if it's just for the fucking bad language. Sorry, I've done it again, even if it's just right. So if you click on medicated, I need medicated. If you click on date, they'll probably enjoy a video like this more than they would a straight one with nobody being, do you know what I mean? It's a bit shows of human. Right, so you've got the IWIs there, look.
Yeah.
If you click on date modified, it'll give you the last two
Yeah,
done.
that's right, yeah.
So we can copy them into memory and we'll chuck them into there for a minute.
Okay.
Right, just so that we know what's what, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, then we'll pull that down. And you said in your main folder you've already got... The only thing is, sometimes doing it like this, it doesn't always show the minimap.
The thing is, I've already compiled it now with the...
What's that?
Well, I need to copy the FF files over as well, don't I?
Yeah. Well, yeah, if you're going to run it via a mod, you do, yeah. So,
I'll get rid of
why...
the source.
Hang on.
That was a test.
Yeah. I was going to say, why is there two in there? Yeah, delete that then, buddy.
There you go.
Right, okay, so they're in that IWD now. So what we need to do is, if you've already got a
Maps folder.
side map final...
Yeah, it's at the top there, mate.
Oh,
Oh, shit. What the hell?
I don't know what you've done there, but my screen's gone green.
Let me close everything down here, mate.
Don't.
That's still working. Oh.
Right, I'll tell you what.
Hang
I'll jump... Is yours gone green as well?
on. Yeah.
All right.
Right, hang on. Yeah, as it's...
No, yeah.
Right, hang on. Why has it done that all of a sudden?
I'm not going to say because I forgot your video in this. Right, let me close this and come back in. Has it come back for you now?
No.
Oh, never.
It's Camtasia then.
Yeah, you have to close Fantasy.
I don't want to delete the recording. Let's see if I can press start menu. Let's get that up.